Hidden in the vibrant industrial city of Jharsuguda lies a spiritual gem that breathes the tradition and divinity, the iconic Kali Temple. With its majestic architecture inspired by the legendary Dakshineshwar Kali Temple of Kolkata, this sacred site is not just a place of worship but a powerful symbol of devotion, culture, and spirituality. Let's dive deep into the captivating story of this temple, where the faith meets the grandeur and devotion comes alive. Previously, goddess Kali was being worshipped in a crematorium beneath a dead tree as a Sasan Kali. This burial land is believed to have empowered the divine energy of the goddess, attracting devotees even in those early days. Understanding the importance of building a temple, Amulya Nath Banerjee donated 56 decimals of land, and by 1953 the first temple was constructed, establishing it as a Shakti Pit. The temple has since become a revered center of spirituality for devotees. In 2000, the construction began to redesign the temple in the form of majestic Dakshineshwar Kali Temple of Kolkata. After 18 years of meticulous effort, the new temple was completed in 2018, standing tall at 95 feet. It is only the second temple in Odisha and one of the few in India to replicate the grandeur of the Dakshineshwar Kali Temple. The temple is built in the traditional Navaratna or nine-spire style of Bengal architecture, symbolizing the spiritual essence of the region. Inside the sanctum, the Ma Kali is worshipped as a Seva Kali in her four-arm form. Her upper right hand forms the Abhay Mudra and her lower right hand forms the Brada Mudra. She holds a sword in her upper left hand and sharp head in her lower left hand, symbolizing the cycle of destruction and renewal. The black idols of this goddess wears a Bengali-style silver crown, radiating both the power and grace. Behind her sit the idols of Ramakrishna Paramahans, while the idols of Swami Vivekananda and Saroda Devi flanks her on the other side, honoring their profound spiritual teachings. In alignment with Hindu philosophy, where Shiva and Shakti are considered inseparable energies, the temple complex was designed to honor this divine union. A Shiva temple standing 25 feet tall, constructed directly in front of the Kali temple. This face-to-face alignment symbolizes the harmony of creation and destruction, peace and power, and the eternal balance of male and female energies in the universe. Devotees believe that Ma Kali energy here is exceptionally active due to the temple's proximity to the burial land, granting the blessing and fulfilling the wishes of those who come seeking her grace. The temple is also managed by the Kali Badi committee, which oversees daily rituals, events, and the maintenance of the temple complex. The temple premises come alive during major festivals like Durga Puja, Kali Puja, Bengali New Year. Additionally, birth anniversary of spiritual figures like Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahans, and Saroda Devi are celebrated with devotion and enthusiasm. During Dasahara, a unique theme-based pandal is constructed every year, drawing the crowds from across the city. Kali Temple of Jharsuguda is not just a place of worship, it is a testament to the faith, devotion, and timeless transition. Whether you seek the blessing, peace, or a glimpse into the divine, this temple offers an unforgettable spiritual journey. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stories of faith and heritage. Discover the divine, explore the heritage. Subscribe now.